Hello students, subject Information Technology. We are going to start the chapter that is Word Processing Intermediate. As in your class 9, we have studied about the single program word processing, and in this class 10, we are going to learn more about word processing software. Our first session, this is headers and footers. What do you mean by header and footer? Headers, it displays at the top of every page in a document at the top. It is used to detail document titles or information such as company name, department name, logo, page numbers or name of the author, etc. Similarly, we have footers, but it displays at the bottom of every page. This is the difference between the header and footer. Header displays at the top and the footer displays at the bottom. It is also used to detail the information such as company name, department name, logo, page numbers, name of the author, etc. And when you apply any of the option, header or footers, it will be displayed at each page of your document. Next, we'll learn how to manage headers and footers. So first learn to manage headers. Managing headers. The steps to insert header in our document are: first you go to the Insert tab. The second tab of the home. Then you have to click on the headers and footers group and then the header command. As you see in this screenshot, Insert tab, headers and footers group, and then in this you get this header command. When you click on this, you get this built-in option that will appear in your document, like this you see. Now you choose anyone and type the information in the header, and when you are done, when you complete the header section, you have to close the design tab. You see there is no design tab right now, but when you insert header, automatically a new tab, that is the design tab, will appear, which has the formatting options for this header area. And then you have to click the close. It is available in the close group, and close header and footer. It has a cross option, and then you click on this, or you can also press the escape key if you want to come out of your header section. In this header section, after this, in the built-in option, you will get these two options: edit header and remove header. Edit header. If you want to make changes in your header, you can use this edit option. Remove header. If you want to remove header from your document, you can use the remove header. So I'll show you an example here, like I have done here. I went to the Insert tab, then headers and group, and the header option, and then I told you the design tab, it appears here when you choose the header. So I choose one built-in option, and after this I will use my text Information Technology, and it goes from this close group, close header and footer, or you can use the escape key also to come out of this header section. And this header will be displayed at each page of your document. Now let's come to the managing footer. Similarly, header, we can have the footer option. We have to go to the similar options: Insert tab, header and footer group, then footer command, and then click on one of the built-in options like you did in the header. So you have to choose any of this footer command option, and then you have to type the information in the footer area. And when you are complete, when you are done, you have to click on the design tab. When the design tab appears, it appears only when a footer will be inserted in your document. And then if you want to come out of this particular design tab or footer section, and then you need to click on this close header and footer option, which comes in the close group and design tab. Or you can also use the escape key to close this particular section. I have done, and similarly we have this edit footer and remove footer option as we had in the header and footer. The edit footer is going to edit your footer section, and remove footer will remove the footer. We can insert page numbers, type text also and the page number. So you can use this option for your footer area. Like example, I have done this. I have given text and page number will come, And when you come on to the next page, automatically chapter 1 will be displayed and page number will be page 2. Got it? So this way we can insert footer. So how to come out of this? You need to close this, close header and footer. So this is all about the header and footer section.